The political tussle over the national education policy has escalated in Tamil Nadu. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and Chief Minister M.K. Stalin have crossed swords over the issue. Accusing the DMK government of playing politics, the Union Minister questioned Tamil Nadu's resistance to the policy when the rest of India had adopted it.
This NEP envisioned by Honorable Prime Minister Modi is giving emphasis to mother tongue. Tamil is one among the oldest language of our civilization. But what is wrong if a student in Tamil Nadu will learn multilingual, come to the multilingual aspect in his study? It can be Tamil, it can be English, it can be other Indian language. There is no imposition of any Hindi or any language on them.
The Union Minister warned that funds under the Samagra Shiksha scheme would be withheld unless the state fully implements the NEP, including the three-language policy. Chief Minister Stalin hit back, calling the centre's decision to block funds blackmail. The DMK has accused the Narendra Modi government of trying to impose Hindi on Tamil Nadu, calling the three-language policy unconstitutional.
Sir, what is your reaction to Dharmendra Pradhan's statement, sir?
Strongly condemn it. We will never accept that three-language policy. We will always stick to two-language policy.
40 lakh students depends on this amount. And all of the sudden, they are framing a reason like you have to include yourself, you have to sign the MOU like you are joining the PMC. This is the very first time in 2023 while we are in the urge of receiving the final installment. At the time, they are telling better you sign this MOU for the PMC, then only we will release. So this is kind of a blackmail.
The issue has united regional parties of Tamil Nadu. The opposition AIADMK has slammed the centre's decision to implement three-language policy. If an agreement is not reached between the centre and state government, the NEP and three-language formula will remain a political flashpoint in Tamil Nadu.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.